Hello everyone, my name is Faturahman. My ID number is 90249077 and I am from Faculty of Information Technology, majoring in Information System, currently in the second semester at Binasaran Informatika. This presentation is a project for my English 2. Today I would like to present two topics. The first one is understanding computer and the second is computer hardware. Okay, let's go. Computers. In today's modern world, computers have become an essential part of our daily lives. We use computers in school, office, and home. In this part of the presentation, types of the computer. There are several types of computer, each made for different needs. The first, the desktop computer. It is powerful and often used in office or at home for tasks like editing videos, gaming, or working with heavy software. However, it's not portable. The second one is laptop, which is a smaller and more portable version of a desktop. It combines performance with mobility and is perfect for students and professionals. Key component of a computer. A computer has several important parts that work together to perform tasks. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is often called the brain of the computer. It processes data and controls other components. The monitors. The monitor is the display, the computer visual, or you can call it the screen that shows the output like text, message, or video. The keyboard is an input device that lets us type commands, letters, or numbers into the computer. The mouse helps us point, click, and interact with the software on the screen, making it easier to navigate. How we use computer. Computers are very useful in many areas of life. For studying, we use computer to do online research, write paper, or take online courses. In working, we use office software, communicate with teammates remotely, and manage data or projects digitally. For communicating, we use emails, social media, video conferencing, and instant messaging, all powered by computers. And for playing games, of course, especially modern games that require high quality graphics, computer give us an impressive experience. Now, let's move on to the second bit, is computer hardware. While software is a set of instructions, hardware is the actual physical equipment. It includes all the devices and components that make up a complete computer system. Without hardware, software would not be able to run the computer. Definition of hardware. Hardware refers to any physical part of a computer that you can touch and see. This includes both internal parts like the CPU and RAMs, and external parts like the keyboard and mouse. It is different from software, which exists only digitally and gives instruction to the hardware on what to do. Both are essential. They work together to make a computer operate. Example of hardware. Let's take a closer look at some example of hardware. The CPU. The CPU is the core component that processes data and performs calculations. RAM, or random access memory, is temporary memory used by the system to keep things running smoothly while you work. The hard drive. The hard drive is where your data, files, and programs are stored permanently. The motherboard. The motherboard is like the central highway connecting all components so they can communicate with each other. Input device. Input device are hardware tools we use to send information to the computer. Example, the keyboard, which lets us input letters, numbers, and command. The mouse, which helps us point, click, and interact with what's on the screen. The scanner, which converts physical documents like paper into digital form, so the computer can read or store them. Output device. Output devices are used by the computer to deliver results back to us. These include the monitor, which displays image, videos, text, and software interfaces. The printer, which creates a physical copy of digital document. The speakers, which output sounds like music, system alerts, or voice during a video. These devices help us see and hear the output of computer process. To summarize, we have learning about what computers are, what computers is, their types, how they are used in daily life, and the key component of computer hardware. I hope this presentation has helped you better understand the basic concept of computer and how they support many aspects of our lives. Thank you.